Hello, creative kids. Welcome back. In this episode, we'll show you how to draw bingo step by step. So grab your pens and paper, and let's get started. Start by drawing a slightly rectangular shape for the body. It should be about twice as tall as it is wide. Inside the rectangle, let's draw a rounded triangle, pointing down. From below the nose, draw a curved line for the lower part of the snout, and right under, draw a smaller one to form the mouth. Draw two large oval eyes just above the snout. They should be positioned near the top of the body, but still spaced apart from each other. Inside each eye, draw a smaller oval for the pupils. Make the pupils black. Now let's draw the second eye. At the base of the body, draw a semicircle for the belly. On each side of the body, draw arms sticking out. Each arm should end with a simple hand that has 3 fingers raised, with a small space between them. The hand should be positioned upward, as if bingo is raising hands. Do the same on the other side. Draw 2 short legs at the bottom of the body. The legs should be small in proportion to the body, with a rounded shape. Each leg should end in a simple, rounded foot. Don't forget to add a little space between the legs. On the back of the body, draw a fluffy, curved tail. Above each eye, draw a small curved oval for the eyebrows, like a small beam. The line should have a slight arch and be positioned slightly toward the center of the face, just above the eyes. At the top of the head, draw 2 triangular ears with rounded tops. The ears should point slightly outward. Inside the ears, draw a smaller triangle to add detail. And there you have it. You have successfully drawn bingo. Well done. Let's add color. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.